Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we said we can make more than one. 1, 2, 3, and go on the fourth one. We can make 1 and go. We can just do this if you want, without any breaks. This is the most used syncopation in urban keys. Then when you open, then soft with the right hand on her back. Okay, the left hand just for support, and don't bring the hand there, or there, or there, or here, guys. You don't need power for this. Make this. Then you close her with the right hand to you, and as soon as possible make connection here. And then make break, break. The connection is always outside right leg, inside left leg, for women and men. And then I'm here. And what do? I do it with the body. With the body. I'm not doing it with the leg. So I'm not doing this. I'm doing, move the body a little bit and the leg a little bit. And then I close. And then we said you can make them like combine with what we did last week. You can make pa, pa, and then turn and make this. And then just close. Okay? Tanzi, tanzi.